Soundhound stock is down about 7% last week. It is looking long-term bullish and is setting up for a possible high value trade, up to 95% if we can get some confirmation. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this trade opportunity and discuss some rules where you could possibly enter this stock to maximize your returns. Let's take a look. Now, if you find value in my analysis of Soundhound stock today or other stocks on my channel, you may also find value in my trading tips email newsletter. If you subscribe, I'll send you high quality professional tips to help you make more profits trading stocks. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. So looking on the weekly chart for Soundhound stock, we can see this stock is long-term bullish. Since this significant peak back in December 2024, the stock has fallen away. It's fallen around about 60% since that high into this significant price trough at around $6.48, and that was created in the first week of April this year. And you can see I've added a down trend line. Recently, this stock has broken the trend line, suggesting the trend could be changing. And there could be a trading opportunity available if we can confirm price entry at this point and trade up to this point. So I want to look at some rules today for how to enter this stock and also what the upside potential is. But first, I want to mark up some key price levels to map out some possible levels of support and resistance. So you can see straight away, I've already marked up the all-time high of around $25. And this would be a potential price target for a future trade. $18 might also offer some resistance on the way up because price did create a peak back in May 2022, not long after Soundhound listed. So let's mark that level up for reference. Underneath that level, we've got the most recent peak after the trend line break. And that was created here in the second week of May at around about $12.60. So I'm going to mark that up. That'll be a possible entry for a trade. Now under that level, we've got this price peak back here, which was created in the second week of March 2024, and that's around $10. So I'll mark that one as well. Underneath that level, we've got this significant price trough here. It looks as if Soundhound is finding support and the trend may be changing and moving up. So we've got a trough here. We've also got resistance here back in July 2024 where price elevated, but there was too much selling pressure and it hit resistance. So this level is around about 650. And under 650, we've got this level of around about $5. Corresponding to these two price peaks here. So one was in February 2023 and also June 23. And there's also a bit of price action here where it was tracking sideways for a number of months during the end of 2024. So let's mark that up at around $5. So now that we've got these key levels marked up on the price chart for Soundhound, we can see the current price action is trading at around $9.33. So it's well above this key level of 650 and just under this level of resistance of $10.15. Recently, it did break the trend line. So it looks as if I zoom in, it does look as if this level here of 650 is significant support. It fell into this level over the past 6 months and obviously lost around 60% of the value in the stock. It's found support here, we've got a big reversal bar, and more importantly, we've had a recent break of this confirmed down trend line, suggesting the trend is changing. So since that time, price has moved up to create this first peak following the trend line break, and that peak is around $12.50. And since that time, it has pulled back. So after the last last 4 weeks, this is obviously just a few days here, but the last 4 weeks, Soundhound has pulled back since that peak, showing some selling pressure. So right now, the price action suggests there is some indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Since this peak, price has fallen, but I say the last 3 weeks, it's sort of tracking sideways. So there's no conviction from either the buyers to take the price higher or the sellers to take the price lower. So at the moment, it's a waiting game to know which direction this stock is going to go. Now, if you watch my previous videos covering this stock, I probably was a bit more bullish in the last few videos because obviously since that trend line break, we only had a couple of bars here. But since those videos, we've got these 2 bars here, and it does look as if there is indecision. So right now, I'm still sitting on the fence regarding this stock. If I was to take a trade, I need confirmation that price is moving up. So effectively, I want price to elevate above this level here of 1260. I want price to move up and take out this peak here to give me confirmation that the buyers are in control and the price is going to move higher. So effectively, we want to see price action like this. From this trough, price has moved up, broken the trend line, created this price peak here. It's now pulling back, and we need to see it find support where it is. I wouldn't want to see the price break this trough here. I want to see it hold above $9 to indicate there is strength and that there's enough buying pressure to keep the price where it is and possibly move it higher. So I'd like to see price fall into $9 at the limit, and then from there, from $9, move up and take out this high here of 1260 thereabouts. So if we can see price action do that in the next few weeks, then you can definitely take a trade on this stock, knowing and having confidence that the buyers are in control and the price is more likely to move higher. Essentially, using Dow theory, what you're saying is you're going to enter the stock once price has created a higher peak following the creation of a higher low. So you can see here we've got this low here, we've got this first higher low, we've got the first peak. Now we need to see this second higher peak to confirm the trend is emerging and the buyers are in control. So therefore, the entry mark for this stock for confirmation that it is moving up is around 1266. Effectively, once price takes out this peak by 1 cent, that would constitute an entry rule. And if you were to enter at that price level, what sort of profit is available once the buyers regain control? So initially, your first price target could be this first level of resistance around about $18, and that would give you around a 40% upside. Following this, you've essentially got the all-time high here of $25, so around about a 99% upside from that entry. So that would be the bullish scenario for SoundHound, but you have to wait until price takes out this peak. There is no confirmation that the buyers are in control until price takes out this price level here and triggers the entry rule. Right now, price is in no man's land. After this trend line break, it has fallen away, showing there is selling pressure. And as I said earlier, I want to see price hold above $9 to show the selling pressure is running out and buyers are coming back in. Now, for my more bearish scenario for SoundHound stock, we might find that price will fall away from this point here. And we can see already it has fallen through this level of around $10. We've got a bar here which is showing a sort of like a doji setup here. We've got the open and close almost at the same level, but obviously this is just 2 days at the moment for this week. So we've got some indecision. I want to see it hold above this low here of $9 if it's going to show strength and move back up. However, at the moment, it's looking as if it might fall away. We need to see what this week's bar is going to do. And looking at the key price levels, if it does fall from here, then the probability is it's more likely to fall into this level here of 650 and retest this key level once again, just like it did back here in the first week of April. As I'm sure you're aware, when stocks change direction, often you get that classic sort of tick shape. It comes down here and then moves up, and that's it, off it goes. But sometimes you get the classic W formation where it needs to come back down for a second time to test before moving up to take the price higher and start to trend upwards. So we might find this with SoundHound. We might find it needs to come back down again to test this level of 650 before moving up. We just have to wait to see what the chart does. The chart will tell us exactly what to do. It'll tell us either way whether the price is more likely to move up or move down. And we have to base our decisions based on each week as the price unfolds. So if you are considering investing or trading SoundHound stock right now, it's probably best to wait for more confirmation. From my perspective, I want to see price take out this level here to give me the confidence that it is moving up. I think the next few weeks are going to be interesting, and it is going to confirm direction. Will price get rejected here at around $10 and begin to move back down and potentially challenge this support level of 650 once again? Or it might hold where it is and start to move up in the next few weeks. Now, if buyers do come in and the price does elevate, I do think there is a great trading opportunity if you're patient. We just need to see price take out this level here, and then the probability is it's going to move up to challenge this level first and this level second. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish on SoundHound? Where would you enter on this stock based on your rules? Thanks for watching.